Hello everyone, my name is Edmund, a student of the recent solar taxi training program that was held. I will entreat everyone to currently enroll in this program. What I actually learned during this few months with solar taxi was very great. I had hands-on training with the solar taxi cars and then experienced how to fix and then solve small issues with the cars, and also had practical training with the cars. Apart from the theory aspects, I will entreat everyone to currently join this program to also learn more about it. What I also want to say is one thing about the electric cars is because it's a new technology coming up, we don't have a lot of people with a fair knowledge about it. So I realized a company like Solar Taxi has this skills and has this knowledge to share with everyone. So since they are ready to impact everyone, I'll entreat everyone to currently join this program and enroll in this if possible. Thank you.